My lashes look good today. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways you can style your hair. Like 3, 4. And if you want to learn how to do those, then just keep watching the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first look that I'll be showing y'all how to do is just the classic braids, but with a simple twist. Alright, and the first thing you're going to do to achieve this simple look is to braid your hair. Everybody knows how to do this. Separate your hair into 2 sections, and it doesn't matter if you have long or short hair. Braids look cute either way. If you have short hair, I would recommend doing French braids and starting at the crown of your head, which is also beautiful for this look. But whatever braid you want to do works. I'm just using thin little black rubber bands. If you have some of those clear ones, those are perfect. Or any color you want. If you want to make them rainbow, colorful, do that. And repeat the braid on the other side. And I just have a mirror right in front of me. It always helps. And tie off the second braid with an elastic as well. Alright, now we just have the normal braids. Now what you're going to do is take one braid at a time and just pull out the sections. And this will make it a little more boho, I like to think. A little messy. Pull out the sections of hair that frame your face. Make it a little messy, and do the same on the other side. And if you have hair extensions, put them in, because I think the thicker the braid, it makes it really, really pretty. And I do have extensions, but that's just a lot of effort that I do not want to deal with right now. Okay, so to add the little twist, I have these beautiful little flowers, and they have a little spiral in the back that I got from Claire's, I believe, a few months ago, this summer, I believe, or last summer. I'm not sure. But you can find anything like this off Amazon or Claire's as well. They were pretty cheap. Even Target probably has some. And what you're going to do is you take a section. I try to do it in like the middle, so you see where this connects here, where a braid connects, and kind of almost like screw it in. And perfect. And repeat and put them wherever you like. And I thought this was kind of cute because I already have the flowers on my neck, and it kind of matches the theme, representing the college today. And let's go on to look 2. Alright, and moving on to look number 2, we're going to do the classic space buns look, which I love. If you have bangs, I think this looks extra cute, and if you don't, you can add a little spice to it by doing a bandana, or a headband is also really cute, or using colorful scrunchies like I'm going to do, and I'll show you how to do it now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to achieve this look is put your hair into 2 pigtails up high on your head. If you want to do space buns that are more outwards, like the ones that are over here, more like Princess Leia, do the pigtails above your ears. If you want to do the ones that are right on top of your head, put them as close as you can to your scalp. And now that you look like a preschooler, you can stop it here if you want. Or now what I do is I kind of rotate it into a spiral as high as it'll go. And I think having long hair definitely helps with this look. but you can still do it if you have shorter hair. And now I am taking this silver and black scrunchie, put it around, go through twice, beautiful, and repeat on the other side. And now, once you have your buns secured, you can use bobby pins if they don't stay up. But I'm going to take a little bit of the hair to frame my face. And what you want to do, like I pull up here at the roots, I pull out a little bit, make it a little more messy. I definitely love the messy type of look because you don't have to like critique it to perfection. And I like that. And this is the finished look, and let's get on to look number 3. It's cute, I don't want to take it down. Now for the third look, you are going to start with the same crazy looking pigtails that you did in the previous look, and we will start there. Alright, and with these crazy looking ponytails, I look like a poodle. You're going to braid them both, and once you finish that, I'll show you the next step. And I'm using the same small black rubber bands as before to tie the ends off and pull them to make it more loose, the same as before. Ooh, too loose. My hair is cut into different sections because it's very curly, and the layers in the different sections make it look a lot prettier in its natural state. So sometimes when I braid it, these sections like pop out, but I'll make it work. Right, and repeat on the other side. Now you are going, now that you look like Pippi Longstocking, take each braid and bring them over your head, and you're going to need a lot of bobby pins for this. Take it and take off the rubber band. I'm using these Cone Air bobby pins because I always use my bobby pins. Like, there's a bobby pin fairy, I swear, that steals them all. Anybody else have that problem? And all you're doing is pinning it behind your ear. If any of you love Pinterest as much as I do, you've probably seen this look. Alright, and once you are sure it is fairly secure, you're going to repeat the same on the other side. Just cross them over each other. And now I'm taking this one and wrapping it around the black hairband so you cannot see it. And now that this side was secure, you kind of go back and forth on both sides. You take the bobby pins out. This one's a little bit of work, but I love how it turns out. And it's really perfect for any occasion. Casual, photo shoot, prom, wedding. And you're going to take this one and cover the black band as well. And if your hair is really long, this would be great. Mine like barely covers it. But if it is short, you can also do it just on a smaller scale. And if you feel that any parts are coming loose, just take extra bobby pins. I would recommend hairspray if you're wearing this out. Again, take some hair to frame your face. And what I'm going to do is grab some extra bobby pins and pin the middle of it down. And there you have it. If you guys would like to see any more of these easy hairstyles, especially Pinterest ones, then just comment down below which ideas you would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!